welcome to Look North, and welcome also to our viewers in Yorkshire and Lincolnshire joining us this morning. I'm Nisha Joshe. A 13-year-old girl has died after being found in the River Wharfe in North Yorkshire. Emergency services were called out near Burnsall at 6:30 last night. The girl was pulled out of the water and taken by air ambulance to hospital, where she sadly died. Meanwhile, emergency services in South Yorkshire are continuing their search for an 11-year-old boy who was last seen entering the River Don in Mexborough on Saturday evening. Underwater search and mountain rescue teams have been drafted in to help. A man is due in court charged with causing grievous bodily harm and dangerous driving after an incident in Northumberland. Police were called on Friday evening to report a car had repeatedly been driven at a pedestrian on St Thomas's Crescent in Alnwick before leaving the scene. A man remains in hospital with serious leg injuries. A 21-year-old is due before magistrates later in Bedlington. Motorists who rely on the main route through Newcastle are being warned of further disruption from today as the work progresses northward. Engineers have been repairing the central motorway's elevated viaduct section, with traffic reduced to one lane in each direction during the day, plus overnight closures. Now work on the stretch between Jesmond Road and the Great North Road junctions will also cause delays for northbound traffic, and that's expected to last around a fortnight. 2 more councils in the northeast are starting food waste recycling from this week. Some councils in the region have been granted extensions of up to 13 years before theirs need to start. The rest plan to get underway by autumn. From today, Darlington Borough Council and Durham County Council are starting their weekly food waste recycling.
You'll get your caddy delivered first. Within your caddy will be a leaflet, and that leaflet will tell you all the things you can put in the bin, why we're doing it. Most important thing is on the front cover will be the date that your service commences. So it might arrive 1 week, but you might not get a collection for another 2 weeks because of the scale of the county.
Now the weather appears to be cooling off. Here's Katerina with the details.
Hello there, good morning to you. So a much cooler and more unsettled week ahead. It's going to be quite cloudy out there today. Already rain out there this morning, tracking from west to eastwards. Notice the greens in this rain. These, the heavy bursts, a moderate to fresh southwesterly breeze and top temperatures lifting to around 17 or 18 degrees. So through this evening, we are going to continue with heavy outbreaks of rain, but a lot of that eventually will clear out to the North Sea. So just a few showers to follow later in the night, especially around the Cumbrian coast. Still some heavy bursts here and temperatures falling away to around 13 degrees. That leads us into Tuesday, which is looking like a showery day. These showers on and off, but some of these heavy with the risk of hail and thunder. And then Wednesday, a windier day with further spells of rain.
There is, of course, more news, travel and weather on your local BBC website and radio station. I'll be back with another update in half an hour's time. Bye for now.